Bende sechego bende inyiso jopiny nyiso ni kende kwaye ne kike gi kao jogo ma bende koro tieko tweche margi kaka jogo ma samoro gin joketho e kindegi. Mano koro ler mochiw kod jatelo e od tweche ma Kibos Medium Prison mano Charles Ochieng, mawacho ni koro jogo ma itweyo to idok dala bang' tieko thuolo margi e jela gin jogo ma bende koro lokore ahinya ma jopiny onego bed ni koro rwako gi kaka nyiminegi kata owetegi. Ochieng' mane loso kanyo kod Lolwe Tv odiochieng' mano ma kawuono e apise mano ma Kisumu Kibos, owacho ni jogo kendo jogo ma bende koro nowe thuolo gin jogo mosetiegore e kidienje mopogore opogore kendo gin gi lony mopogore opogore ma gibiro dhi konyo godo kata gero piny Kenya kaachiel to kod manyo yuto margi e kinde mokadho. Noloso e kinde ma bende koro jotwech maromo 5 odiochieng' ma kawuono koro nowe thuolo e jela no kendo notergi e miechegi ka notele kanyo gi jokanyo e kanisa mar Kisumu Central SDA mayudore e boma ma Kisumu.
Today we are working out the means of escorting one prisoner who has completed his sentence here at Kibos Medium Prison, and we are here with the SDA Central Church Kisumu, who have offered to help us take the prisoner back home in light with our means of reintegration. First, I want to thank the SDA Church for having it in their heart to come and help us do this noble opportunity and responsibility of taking prisoners home. The prisoner is Justice Makini, who has been with us here for the last 15 years. Makini has been a good inmate here. He's a teacher, he's an elder in the church, and also has been very instrumental in helping us solve issues inside the prison. You understand that he's among the elderly inmates we have here, who are very avid and keen on matters theology and the church matters. So we want to thank the SDA Church again for finding it in their heart to help us take justice home. And for the people at home, we want to ask you that Makini is reformed and is well rehabilitated. He has demonstrated that here, and he has shown us that indeed it can work in prison, also it can work at home. He has been a good teacher here with us, and he has been a big help to the prison. So we want the people at home, let us welcome inmates when they come back from prisons, because they have been trained and they are skilled enough to support also the community projects that are there. Let us not look at them with the eyes of criminals. If we continue treating them as criminals, then we'll encourage them to come back to jail. He has been here for 15 years and he's had a good run with us. So we want to thank you again for supporting us in this light, and we are happy that it is a church that has come through for us to make sure that this process is a success. We want to say